lens that we had. So, that's a process that we're happy to, talk through with schools preparing for on-site monitoring. But the expectation is these tools here today that we've begun to share with you provide you with the ability to look at the service delivery the way we look at it. So I want to end here with any questions. Feel free to contact us with additional questions that we weren't able to answer in the session. No, you can just keep going. So in wrapping up, go to the next slide.
Trying.
So here is a list of resources. In the PDF version of the document, each of these links of the gray fonts are active hot links, so you should be able to click on those to access. We've got the COA regulations, charter school regulations, attendance regulations, the related services. There's rich information on related services from the actual policy to non-regulatory guidance, along with a webinar that was conducted, the data management policy, the non-public school toolkit. So a rich set of resources. The SEDS basic user manual is here as well. And next slide, please. So here's our contact information. And we've got some upcoming trainings. The Training and Technical Assistance Unit wanted to make sure that you were aware of upcoming trainings. And again, in the PDF version of this document, when you click on the dates, you'll go to the hot links for each of these trainings. So there's a SEDS Train the Trainer that's coming up. Sometimes what we get are questions around who should be attending the SEDS Train the Trainer. What I would suggest is that when you click on the link, you'll also there will also be information there about a contact. If you have questions, you should certainly reach out in terms of who should be attending the related services training, the SEDS Train the Trainer. There's an upcoming related service provider training. OSSI sponsored 3 of those in the fall to really help LEAs and non-public school related service providers be clear of the policy requirements and the documentation requirements for related services. We'll be doing 2 additional trainings in March and April. So, if there are related service providers at your non-public schools who need additional support, these are 2 trainings to attend. And finally, the non-public SEDS Point of Contact quarterly webinar. The next one coming up is March 25th. This is really another webinar designed to provide just a wealth of information related to non-public service provision, non-public practices, upcoming trainings. And the expectation from OSSI is that each non-public school is sending a representative to the non-public POCs for information that will be shared. So we